Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Telegram directly to the sidebar in Opera GX. It's a great way to stay connected while gaming or browsing without switching tabs. Let's get started. First, open your Opera GX browser. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Opera keeps all your shortcuts. Scroll all the way down and click on the three-dot icon or Sidebar Setup, depending on your version of Opera GX. Now you'll see a list of messengers and apps you can add. Find Telegram in the list and click the toggle to turn it on. Once you enable it, you'll now see the Telegram icon appear in the sidebar. Click the icon and it will open a mini Telegram login window inside the browser. You can now either scan the QR code using your Telegram mobile app or log in using your phone number and password. Once you log in, your entire Telegram interface appears right in the browser, so you can chat, share files, and manage groups without opening a new tab or app. You can also pin the sidebar so Telegram is always visible while you're browsing, or use the pop-out feature if you want it in its own window. And that's it. You've now added Telegram to your Opera GX sidebar. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. If you're stuck, drop a comment below and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.